House of Representatives nakatikim ng malutong na pangaral galing kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Cayetano kinastigo ang mga pinaparatang ng Kamara kay Senate President Chis Escudero. Pero bago ang lahat, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa channel na ito, please do subscribe para mas maging updated pa kayo sa mga susunod kong mga videos. Natameme ang mga kongresista matapos sagisan ng malutong na banat ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano matapos mainsulto na ito dahil sa paggamit ng impeachment laban kay BP Sara para lang wala nang makahadlang sa kanila sa 2028 elections.
Yung spirit kasi ng Constitution, once ka lang pwede ma-impeach sa isang taon. At very clear po, pati po yung esteemed, I do recognize our the former chairman of the COMELEC, who if he did not qualify me, I would not have become a councilor. Christian Munsod, our esteemed legal luminaries are here po. Alam niyo po, in all the books nakalagay doon, bakit may 1-year ban? Kasi nga, hindi daw dapat guluhin ng guluhin yung impeachable officer all throughout the year. Dapat isa lang. So yung spirit ng decision, nung sinabi ng BARD na, bigyan mo siya hanggang 1 year, hanggang February 6. Pero lumabas tayo sa legal. Ipa-floating muna natin to. I-dribble muna natin, tignan muna natin. When is the soonest that the Supreme Court can decide? The next 15, 30 days? By September 1, simula na ng budget hearing sa House. By late September, simula na tayo sa Senate. Baha, DepEd, gamot, trabaho, lahat yan, inaasikaso natin. Kung walang choice at isasabay natin impeachment hapon, impeachment umaga, legislation, bakit hindi? Pero hindi ba dapat bigyan din natin ng katahimikan yung ating bansa at least until February 6? Na sinabi na ng Supreme Court, BARD, mali ang proseso, tuldukan na rin natin sa Senado. So, ang isa na lang po ang pinag-uusapan natin, which I want to give honor and thank the minority leader na, pero may appeal. So, whether or not the Senate says tuldukan na natin, nandun pa rin sa Supreme Court yung appeal. Would it be acceptable both to Senator Marcoleta and to the minority? What if we word the motion that we move to adhere to the decision of the Supreme Court in Duterte versus period? Huwag na natin ilagay sa dulo kung dismiss, area. Merely adhering. Kasi nasa decision naman, nasa loob na naman decision na void ab initio and executory right away. So I don't know if that's acceptable. No? I'm trying to think of a word. Adhere, even obey kasi baka ma-misinterpret na because some of us say na wala tayong choice to obey, some think na wag tayo subservient, di ba? But adhere might be a good word. Senator Marcoleta, are we getting closer or medyo lumayo?
I think, Mr. President, we're getting closer, except that we should put some operative words there that would indicate the closure of this very issue.
Mr. President, what if it's we move to for the Senate to adhere to the Senate to the Supreme Court decision in Duterte versus House of Representatives and hereby terminate whatever unless or hindi lang sa social media at sa traditional media ang mga puntong nagsasaliwa, meaning pong parang hindi nag-uusap eh. So at least here we disagree, but whether we listen to the minority leader or to Senator Marcoleta, we agree to listen to each other and to examine each other's points. So I just like a few minutes on some very important matters. Let me start by the accusation that because of this decision, masyado nang mahirap at wala nang mai-impeach. So may I ask Senator Marcoleta if he would give me the honor of asking him a few questions and allowing me to interpolate on 2 or 3 topics. The first one is whether or not naging imposible na mag-impeach under this decision.
The gentleman may proceed if Senator Marcoleta will so allow it.
Yes, Mr. President.
Mr. President, sabi po nung iba, imposible na daw mag-impeach ngayon dahil sa desisyon. I
Hindi
see the
po.
decision before you. I approached you last week. You've been studying it. I see your radio program. Mukhang 10 beses mo na nabasa yung desisyon at apparently, Mr. Senator, you also listen to criticism. So kung ano rin yung sinasabi ng iba, pinapakinggan mo rin. In your view, may I take note first, Mr. President, that I am glad that the Senator made a distinction na he is for the rights of everyone. He was adopted by PDP and ran with a particular party, but he is not a member of the Duterte bloc. Am I correct there?
Technically speaking, Mr. President, I am not a member of the PDP, but I admit that I was adopted and I ran in unity with some of the parties of the PDP candidates at the time.
The point I'm going at is like, I was a cabinet member in the Duterte administration, but I have not talked to the Vice President. I ran as an independent in 2022, so I speak now as a senator and not as a partisan. I assume the same, Your Honor.
Yes,
that
Mr.
you're
President.
giving your own personal opinion as Senator Marcoleta, not as a partisan. Of course, I assume that for everyone here, no? Regardless of our position. So, Mr. Senator, sa iyong paghimay ng desisyon, sa tingin mo ba imposible na ngayon mag-impeach ng isang impeachable officer?
Hindi po, Mr. President.
So, naging napakahirap ba mag-impeach ng isang officer?
Hindi ko po alam kung bakit mahirap po sa kanila, Mr. President. Ang importante lang po, ilagay lang po sa tamang proseso. Napakasimple po kasi nung kanilang mga tuntunin, iniisip ko, sundin lang yung mga tuntunin. Ang problema po, isa man sa tuntunin, wala pong sinunod. Kaya po humirap ng humirap para sa kanila.
So, Mr. President, I'm glad you mentioned tamang proseso. I think the way the Supreme Court said it in page 95 of the decision, there is a right way to do the right thing at the right time. The problem, Mr. President, is sinasabi po nung iba, may decision na sa former decisions, meron ng definition ng initiation, and many of us here were not mere spectators there. I mean, Senator Soto, I think, was in the impeachment court, di ba, of Senator Estrada, Senator Laurentu. Senator Kiko was still on the, we were together kay Senator Corona. Senator Cheese and I and Senator Miggs were in the House during the prayer 1/3 to the Senate articles of impeachment, di ba? So, hindi po tayo stranger sa mga pangyayaring ito. Ang punto ko, Mr. President, Senator Marcoleta, kung hindi nagsabi ang Supreme Court ng specific na dapat sundin, pwede kong ma-interpret na baka naman masyadong mahirap. Baka naman kahit anong i-file kung gustong protektahan, hindi na siya ma-impeach. Paano na yung accountability? But is it true, Mr. President, that on page 93 of the decision, the Supreme Court actually narrated what has to be done for a valid impeachment complaint?
Yes, Mr. President.
Allow me to read. 1, the draft article of impeachment or resolution should be accompanied by evidence when made available to members of the House, especially those who are considering its endorsement. 2, the evidence should be sufficient to prove the charges in the articles of impeachment. 3, the draft articles of impeachment and their accompanying evidence should be made available to all members of the House of Representatives, not only to those who are being considered to endorse. Impeachment is an act of the entire House, which requires a qualified minority of only 1/3 of its members to be transmitted to the Senate. However, the House of Representatives is a deliberative assembly where each member should be allowed to represent the views of their constituents. Let me stop there first. Mr. President, may problema ba yung number 1 na yung articles of impeachment kailangan may ebidensya?
Wala pong problema doon, Mr. President.
Hindi ba ho baliktad? Kung walang ebidensya, may problema.
Tama po.
Kasi kung walang ebidensya, ano yon? Tapon mo sa Senate, bahala na si Batman. So precisely tama ang Supreme Court that even if 1/3 endorse or file, dapat may ebidensya na. Let me go to the second part. The evidence should be sufficient to prove the charges in the article of impeachment. Mr. President, tama po ba na iba po yung sufficiency at iba din po yung quality or yung burden of proof? Di ba?
Opo.
So halimbawa po, sa piskalya, hindi po kailangan sa piskalya beyond reasonable doubt.
Probable.
Kailangan lang that there is probable cause that a crime was committed and there is probable cause that the accused committed that crime.
Yes, Mr. President.
So in the same manner, hindi sinasabi dito sa 2 na kailangan mo ipresenta sa mga congressman lahat ng testimony, lahat ng ebidensya. Ang kailangan lang, if you assume the evidence to be true, it will be enough to convict.
Tama po.
Because if not, then sayang lang ang oras natin sa Senate. Kung may articles of impeachment ka, walang ebidensya,